Disney Genie has arrived. And let's say this quick. FastPass Plus and the free FastPass system, which allowed guests to get reservations up to 60 days in advance for rides, is gone. It has been replaced by a new system that comes with a wide array of options, from a free trip planning service to a paid system that allows day-of FastPass selections like the older Disneyland MaxPass service. There will even be additional charges for immediate ride access onto certain attractions like Space Mountain or Star Wars Rise of the Resistance in the new Lightning Lane.
There's so much to experience at Walt Disney World and Disneyland resorts. We never want guests to feel overwhelmed.
This service begins this fall and will completely change your experience visiting Disneyland and the Walt Disney World Resort. I feel it is important to mention this early. Even though there are paid options in this service, guests will still be able to use the Disability Access service at the parks free of charge. In some instances, guests will even be able to be pre-approved for it, so it's ready to go before they arrive. This is a major win for guests that say this service is a vacation saver.
But don't worry, we realize that there'll be guests that want to experience the parks like they have before, and they will still be able to do that. Our traditional standby lines will still be there at most attractions, and virtual queue will continue to be used at certain other attractions. Disney Genie service will be available this fall.
Many of the features of the Disney Genie service are to be included for free in the My Disney Experience app and the Disneyland Resort app. This includes ride wait times, estimated future ride wait forecasts, a personalized tip board, restaurant check-in, a virtual assistant, and more. But you can also pay to be upgraded to Genie Plus, which is $15 a day per person at Walt Disney World and $20 a day per person at Disneyland. Disneyland's cost more because it includes digital downloads for all of your PhotoPass photos. While Walt Disney World's does not include PhotoPass photos, it does offer an augmented reality style character photo op. This paid service upgrade also includes one selection at a time Lightning Lane quick access to select attractions at Walt Disney World and the Disneyland Resort in California. They will be made day of and not be part of a 60-day or farther out service. This will most likely be seen as a positive to many guests that had trouble snagging a FastPass for major attractions like Avatar Flight of Passage. But Avatar Flight of Passage might not actually be included in this offering. More on that in a second.
Guests will also be able to use Disney Genie to purchase individual arrival windows at one or two select attractions each day using the Lightning Lane entrance. This option will be available at a different set of attractions than those included with the Disney Genie Plus service.
Now, what about those major park attractions like Avatar Flight of Passage, Space Mountain, Star Wars Rise of the Resistance, and the upcoming Remy's Ratatouille Adventure at Epcot? Well, these rides will be run differently. Boarding groups will still happen for Star Wars Rise of the Resistance, and they will begin on Remy's Ratatouille Adventure at Epcot when it opens October 1st. But you may have the option to bypass the boarding groups altogether for a fee. While we don't yet know the exact cost, Disney did mention being able to buy your way onto the ride and skipping the boarding passes. And for rides like Space Mountain or Avatar Flight of Passage, these attractions will not be included in the paid Disney Genie Plus service, and you will have to purchase Lightning Lane access separately for these attractions. This system certainly feels like the next evolution of the Disney MaxPass service that was loved by visitors at the Disneyland Resort. So, are you excited for less planning months in advance to do more on the go? Would you pay for the premium options or stick to the free stuff? Let us know in the comments below. And head to our website, attractionsmagazine.com, or click the link in the description to head to our article about this new service.